everyone and welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to do your own nails. I've been seeing all over the internet people freaking out about their nails because they're growing out, they're broken, they are ratchet, and there is no way to fix them because people just don't know how to do their own nails. Well, I am here to show you and save you from having the most ratchet nails because doing your own nails is so easy. I like having things look nice, but I like doing them as cheaply as possible. So a few years ago, I learned how to do my own nails because I was getting sick and tired of going to the salon, paying hundreds of dollars and having my nails broken in like 1 or 2 weeks. I was like, this is garbage. And it's like, it grows out, it gets broken, and it looks so bad. And I was like, I swear I can find a way to do this way cheaper, way easier, and I did it. So I've been doing this for years to get my nails to look like this. I'm always so happy with the results of my nails. There are so many benefits of doing your own nails. Like this costs like $3 to do each time. You don't get grown out nails. Another great part of doing your own nails, I noticed my nails are so much more healthy. When I used to go to the salon, they used to damage the poop out of my actual nails. With fake nails, my nails grow so fast if I actually stick to it. Like my nails were growing so long and then I took my nails off for like 2 days and then I ended up biting everything because I have a really bad nail biting habit. But if you are trying to grow your nails, this is the best way to do it. Your nails get broken, it is so easy to fix. I remember before when I used to get my nails done and I used to break and I'd have meetings in my offices and you can't do anything about it, so I just try to cover my nails and my hands the whole time to not let anybody see, and that's just like so embarrassing. But now I just always carry glue with me and change it at any time. You can do whatever shape you want, and I absolutely love it. Like for me, if you follow my directions exactly, this should last you 1 to 2 weeks. For me, I usually leave them on whatever shape I chose for as long as possible, but usually every 4 days I change the color of it because I just get so bored of the same color. The color I have now is the color that I would like kind of have as my go-to. It's kind of nude and neutral for me, so it was like good for work, just matched everything, and it was just work appropriate. You'd love to learn how to salvage and do your own nails so you can feel a little bit bougie and beautiful. Once again, please keep watching.
So there's a few ingredients you're going to need for this. You're gonna need some press-on nails. I get mine from Amazon. This super glue, that's the magic. This orange wooden stick, this cuticle nipper, a nail file, and nail polish of your choice. Optional, you can get some acetone and a cotton ball and a nail brush. This is an optional step, but if you want to, you can take acetone and apply them onto a cotton ball and apply them on your fingers. This is just to remove any oils on there to make sure that everything sticks really well, but totally optional. The first real step, step 1, is to use an orange wood stick to push back the cuticle. So this might look a little bit painful, but honestly, it does not hurt at all. So yeah, you just want to get through every finger and just push it on back. So step number 2 is going to be using a cuticle nipper to cut off the cuticle. So you can see here I'm placing a piece of a folded paper right under to make sure to catch all of the skin, otherwise it gets everywhere. So what you want to do is literally just grab your little cuticle nipper, it looks like just like scissors, and you just literally just want to nip those little cuticles off. So this looks like it would be painful, but honestly it absolutely does not hurt at all. All the skin in this area is dead skin, so you don't feel anything. I am an avid nail biter, as you can see my nails are so tiny here. And for some reason, this provides satisfaction just as much as nail biting. Like there's just something so satisfying about taking off this dead skin and making sure everything is nice and clean. A lot of people I see when they use press-on nails, it only lasts them like a day or two. And this is the step that people miss. By removing the cuticles, it allows for the press-on nail to get as low as possible, and so then when the skin is growing, it's not growing under the nail. So, and that's what would make the nail fall off a little bit sooner. Like if you glue it on top of your cuticle nail, it's not going to be as adhering as it is to the nail bud. So this is so important. So you can see all the yucky little skins of my cuticles. So step 3 is going to be to lightly file the nail. So this is just to add some grit to the nail bed to make sure that the nail that you're going to press on is going to have something to stick to. So you don't want to file it down to the bare bone here. You just want to give it a light little buff. This is totally optional, but if you have a little nail brush, you can totally wipe away any excess dead skin cells. So this is when things get exciting. You get to pick what nail you want to use. So I'm going to show you a few options. So this is a stiletto almond nail shape, which we're going to be using for this video. And this is a long ballerina nail. So the stiletto and the ballerina nails are my usual go-tos that I switch between on the regular. I love them. I bought them from Amazon like 3 years ago. Recently, I bought these short clear ballerina nails. I don't actually love them as much as my other two, but I wanted to try and see what the hype was with clear nails, but it's really not that great. You can also get press-on nails that have designs. These are from the Dollar Tree. These are some holographic ones that I absolutely love and kind of save them for more special occasions. For this video, I'll be showing you how to utilize the Amazon nails. I have the clear ones here, which I'm not going to be using. I'm going to be using the stiletto white ones. So the stiletto light ones, the long ballerina ones, and these clear ones, they all have the same sizes. So I'm going to share with you what sizes I use. So for my thumbs, I use 1, for my index a 6, and also my ring finger a 6, a 7 for my middle finger, and 9 for my ring finger. These sizes coincide with all the Amazon nails I've gotten so far. Number 5 will be to glue on the nails and hold for 10 seconds each, but we just need to stop for a second to talk about the glue. So I use this NAILENE super glue, and holy goodness, this is the most amazing glue. This is what makes it last for 1 to 2 weeks, the nails. So this is a must have for this. I absolutely love this product. Like no other glue works like this. It's just amazing. So yeah, this is the magic key to everything here. So you want to take that on your nails and then put the nail on top of it and hold it down for 10 seconds. So you can see I'm holding it there. You can kind of see through the nail that it comes a little bit pink, so you try to want to get everything on your nail covered. It's hard to see it, but yeah, I tried my best to get the whole thing covered. And just continue to do that for each and every nail. And here's what it looks like with the stiletto nail. So it's looking really good. Already coming really strong. Like these nails are so strong with the glue, like they are not moving at all. And here's what they look like with long ballerina nails to give you some idea. And here's what it looks like with the short, clear ballerina nails. So step number 6 is going to be to paint your nails with your color of choice. So as I mentioned earlier, this is like the nude go-to color I kind of go to a lot. So in my work setting, it's very professional, so I normally stick to more neutral tones or reds or black, things that will match a lot and not pop too much. Now that we're in quarantine, I am playing a little bit more with color and it's a little bit more fun. And for work also, I stick to these type of nails. I don't usually wear the long ballerina nails to work. That's more like on a weekend, I will wear the long ballerina nails if I'm going out or doing something. But for work, it gets kind of hard. And again, I'm in a very professional setting, so it's really important for me to have my nails like look classy and professional. But yeah, go ahead and paint away all your nails. You know, you can change up to whatever colors you want. You can have every nail a different color. I like to keep mine nice and simple. And here's the final result. You can see they look absolutely beautiful and perfect, just as good as a salon quality to me. So I love how these turned out. And again, I use a variety of different colors and styles all the time. So I'll be showing you different styles I use and different colors I use in a second. So this one is a shiny color. I then changed this one to matte. I love this cherry red color in the long ballerina nails, some shiny black, some matte black. I also love some holographic pink nails, like they're like amazing, some chocolate. Here's some clear translucent on the short clear ballerina nail. So you can see it doesn't really stick out as much. This is why I don't really like it. Like the nail polish doesn't work very well with this, but yeah, it's still good to have. And then I had some turquoise color here. So here's just some pictures of some other nails I've done for myself throughout the years. So you can see you can have such a variety of nails. It can be so pretty and so versatile and for so cheap.
Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope that was helpful for you. Comment below if this was easy and if it lasted for a week or 2 weeks for you, just like it does for me. Till next time, bye!